Picture this. You're sitting alone, feeling overwhelmed by stress and anxiety. The pressures of life are mounting, and it feels like there's no escape. This is a reality for many people, but it doesn't have to be your permanent state. Today, we're going to talk about practical strategies for overcoming anxiety and stress. Let's explore 3 essential tips to help you regain control and find peace. Tip number 1. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of staying present in the moment and observing your thoughts without judgment. It helps to calm the mind and reduce anxiety. As Jon Kabat-Zinn, the father of modern mindfulness, said, "You can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf." By incorporating mindfulness techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or even mindful walking into your daily routine, you can reduce stress and feel more grounded. Tip number 2. Stay connected. Isolation can amplify feelings of anxiety and stress. Reach out to friends, family, or support groups to share your thoughts and feelings. As Brené Brown, a research professor and author, says, "Connection is why we're here. It is what gives purpose and meaning to our lives." Building a strong support network can provide comfort, reassurance, and perspective during challenging times. Tip number 3. Establish a routine. A consistent daily routine can provide structure and a sense of normalcy, which can be incredibly comforting during stressful times. Include activities that nourish your mind and body, such as regular exercise, healthy eating, and sufficient sleep. As Benjamin Franklin wisely said, "By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail." A well-structured routine can help you manage your time effectively and reduce anxiety. To recap, practice mindfulness, stay connected, and establish a routine. These strategies can help you manage anxiety and stress, allowing you to lead a more balanced and fulfilling life. Remember, it's okay to seek help and take small steps towards improvement. Thank you for watching and take care.